My name is Walter David Morales. My major is mathematics and computer science. And my experiences mainly on oil. I work for Chevron. I work as a data engineer. I started out as a data manager, then moved as a geoscientist. Technologies, they call it like that. It's in 3D modeling. And then I did data analytics, and now I am a data engineer. In Cal State, I had two majors, computer science and mathematics. I believe both my teachers and why I did study were very pivotal in my development and my career, since they give me what I needed to succeed. First of all, I have really good critical thinking abilities because I can solve problems in different ways, look at them differently, and also I have a really solid technical background. So when I was working, that was very, very useful. Mathematics helps you to solve problems, and computer science gave me the technical background. So part of my work is to work in AI because that's what's going on right now. And recently I worked in a project in which part of my job was to solve a problem. My math background helped me to analyze the problem. And it's about, how do you see things in the oil field differently? So my job was to get the data, transform that data properly, extract whatever was useful out of the data, and provide that to another person that did process that, right? So to do so, I needed to use a lot of the skills I got here at Cal State Bakersfield, right? In my math experience, my teachers were really good at making us do things by writing. And that was really good because you had to go sit with your books, analyze them, solve the problems. And that helps you a lot because now in my experience, it helped me to, take a step back and analyze what is going on. That's what you do when you do your homework, right? You see your problem and you try to solve it. I don't like the computer thing. Even though I am a computer science major, I don't like making children do or kids do math and computers. The fact that you develop something in your brain that helps you to solve like complex problems. I think you have to come to school with hope and to work hard. I see so many bright students as a teacher that come here and they just try to do the least amount of effort to just go by, just pass the class and survive. But I think if you go to school and you go to learn and you go with the willingness to learn and to put the hard work, you're gonna learn so much more. Because my experience in Cal State was my second experience because I did university in my country. I'm from Peru. And the first time I went, I was young. I wanted to go out. I wanted to leave the world. And the second time, when I had the opportunity to came here, I said, wait, you know what? I was gonna study. And it worked out. I never got so good grades as I get here because I was just focused on studying it. And I think if more students will do that, opportunities will open, right? So I went to the job I got because one of my professors in the math department recommended me for an internship in the company I am. That's because I put a lot of work on it. So if students do that, I think they come with a willingness to learn and with the hope that if you put the hard work, you're gonna get there.